Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Dragan effect. Let's get started. First, select your layer, and by pressing Command J or on PC Ctrl J, duplicate your layer. Select the top layer, go to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate. Now, go to Image, Adjustments, and invert your image. Go to Blending Modes, and change it from Normal to Vivid Light. Select that layer, go to Filter, Blur, and select Surface Blur. Put the radius to 52 and the threshold to 26. Press OK. Now by holding Shift, select the two layers, right click and click Merge Layers. And select the blending mode of our new layer to Overlay. Make our top layer invisible and duplicate our bottom layer by pressing Command J or on PC Ctrl J, go to Image, Adjustments and Desaturate it. Select the blending mode to multiply. Make our top layer visible again. Select our middle layer, go to Image, Adjustments and select Shadow and Highlights. Select the amount to 60, the tone to 55 and leave the radius to 30. Put midtone to 10. When you've done that, press OK. Now let's enhance his eyes. Create a new layer on top of everything, select the brush tool, select a smaller size, put the softness to 0 and make sure white is selected as your color. Draw over his pupils like this and put the blending mode to Overlay. I duplicated the layer for a stronger effect. Create a new adjustment layer and select Color Lookup. Here in the 3D LUT files, you can choose many color correction presets. Choose one that looks the best with your image. I'm going to go with Candlelight. And lastly, I'm going to put the eye layers on top of everything else. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.